Rule number 3. How do you know you understand Bitcoin? Well, the way you know you understand Bitcoin is you realize that you're never fully going to understand Bitcoin. If you think you've understood it, if you studied it, if you're sure you get it, that means you haven't quite grasped it yet. People that really embrace Bitcoin understand it. They realize you'll never be done learning about Bitcoin. Never. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin's not just the protocol. It's not just the software. It's not just the way you interact with it or everyone else that uses Bitcoin interacts with it. Bitcoin's a virus. It's an economic virus. It's a monetary virus. It's an ideological virus. It's going to ripple through time and space. So to understand Bitcoin, you have to understand how the existing sets of adopters will interact on the layer 2, the layer 3, the layer 4, the layer 5. You have to understand how the layer 3 applications will interact with each other via layer 2 protocols, via layer 1 protocols. You have to be thinking about what will people that haven't even discovered Bitcoin be doing with Bitcoin in 10 years, and 50 years, and 100 years. If you want to understand Bitcoin, you think about what will 10 billion people 100 years from now be doing with Bitcoin through 300 million different institutions across protocols, extensions of Bitcoin that have not yet been conceived and not yet been invented. So when you consider how the idea will ripple through time, through space, through complexity, through the endless ways that humanity can organize itself, then you grasp the full scope of Bitcoin. How will an artificial intelligent entity created in 10 years, living in cyberspace 50 years from now, integrating with a million other AIs, use Bitcoin, right? This is a profound chain reaction. It's a fire in cyberspace. It's viral through time, through space, through humanity, through all of the various vestiges of humanity. And of course, once you get that idea, you realize that you don't really know everything that's in the minds of 8 billion people or 300 million corporations or a billion things that are yet to come. And with that comes humility. And with that comes a thirst to keep studying Bitcoin. You'll never be done learning about Bitcoin.